Yes, sir. I'll do it right away, sir. Marge, how many times do I have to tell you not to call me every minute at the office?
But, honey, this is an emergency, and I don't know what to do. The drain stopped up, and the water's running all over everything.
Well, what can I do about it? Call the local Roto-Rooter company. Oh, and while he's there, have him check all the drains. I had to wait 20 minutes last night for the bath water to drain out.
Why didn't I think of Roto-Rooter sewer service? Bye, dear.
Don't you worry, but don't delay. For Roto-Rooter right away. For quick first aid, you can depend on Roto-Rooter to save the day. Call Roto-Rooter, that's the name. And we'll go trouble down the drain. Roto-Rooter, Roto-Rooter.
Roto-Rooter sewer service for any drainage failure.